We're going to talk about select. So if I take the selection tool, I colored some of these little parts in, and now I also selected everything and I made no stroke color, so it's just fill. I'm going to select this white. So if I change the view to outline, I can tell that there are some shapes in here that are white, and I want to fill them with a color. But I need to select all those white shapes. So I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to go to select. We're going to do same, fill color. So that what happened is it just selected everything that has a white fill color. Now that it's all selected, I can change that fill color and I want it to be a brighter pink. That looks a little crazy to me, so I'm going to change this pink to something a little bit lighter in my color palette. So I'm double clicking on the foreground color box. I can go to saturation, bring it down. I'm adding white, making a tint. And that way it's not going to be so harsh on the eyes because it is a background color. Say I want to change. I need to add this to my, this pink needs to be added to my palette. So I'm going to make sure it's in the fill box by selecting it. And let's just add this color, and we're going to add it to this group. I'm going to get rid of this one because I don't like it. And there we go. I'm not crazy about this pink. So again, select, same, fill. So you can select by stroke weight, stroke color, opacity, the fill color, the fill and the stroke combo, or the appearance. So that selected everything with that specific color. And I think that I'm going to replace it with this purple now. And maybe I can go in and alternate some of these. Okay, so say I'm happy with that. I need to make sure that all the colors here match, and I need to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't use this pink one, so I'm going to delete it. And if you zoom in, I've got a few little stray gray things. Again, select one, select same, fill. It grabs all the grays, and let's just give it that pink so it just becomes part of the background.